Hey guys, this is Antonio here from Papa Homes. We'll be talking about turning credit into wealth by using the power of real estate. I was in a certain city here, around here in Louisiana, just passing by, seeing this property here for sale, and decided I wanted to stop. But here's the issue here. I'm gonna turn around. It has it has a building right here next to it. So it's not your typical. It's not your typical type property. Know what I mean? So it's not your typical, you got grass in the front, just not your typical property. So at the end of the day, I seen what they had it listed for. They had it listed for $85,000. It's a 3-bedroom property. It looks like it's pretty clean on the inside. Doesn't seem like it needs that much work. So in my mind, will this be a property flip? Probably not, because it's just a funny type layout here, but it will be a good property to rent to own. Okay, that would be one of the good reasons for buying this property. So what I did, I called a realtor up and I made a cash offer. I made a cash offer on this property, and that cash offer was half of what they asked for. And before I made my offer, I told them, I said, look, they probably not gonna take the cash offer. So I don't want to insult them with that. And I went into some other creative ways of buying real estate. But he said, no, go ahead and make the offer. But guess what? I had already did my research and I knew this property was already listed for over almost a whole year now. So for that reason, it's overpriced or it needs work. So it's pretty sound property, so it's kind of overpriced. So I just made an offer. Don't know if they're gonna accept it now, but I did a verbal. But that's the way that you usually do it. Sometimes you gotta go out on a limb to be able to make offers. But overall, the house looks okay. So if they accept the offer, then I go into the mode of trying to get it done at the end of the day. So hey guys, you wanna be able to go out there and take some action today when it comes to real estate. All right, like I said, it's a beautiful thing. Cash flow off this property here. We can get our money back off this property here in 1 year. I mean, if they take the offer that I put out there, I can get it back off for 1 year. Will I have to take those window units out? Maybe not, depending on the way I'm trying to do it. But overall, if they accept the offer, I think we can get our money back in a year and make even more money. But the reason for it, that this house is here for sale, and the price they have it, no one's gonna buy. But for the price I gave them and what I want to do, we might can get it done. I tell you what, this is Antonio from Papa Homes, where we talk about turning credit into wealth. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave in the comments at the bottom of the page here, like, share. Hey, if you guys want to do any type of investing, you want to get into real estate, I'm your guy. Call me. I got everything laid out. The path is laid out. We just got to walk down the path and we can get to the end of the rainbow. See you later. Bye-bye.